DJT stock analysis Thursday and onwards. Am I buying? I'm covering all that in this short 1 minute video, so watch till the end. With Trump media stock, it kind of sucks, but it's been consolidating. I'm very open to this bullish idea. This is how it looks like. In context, I'm sticking to a strategy that I've refined over 32,000 videos over the last 4 years, spending thousands of dollars on courses and mentorships so you don't have to. And I mean, I've documented everything. The price has delivered thousands of preparations. With DJT, I saw the first break, and it would only make sense for me to continue longing this if there is the second break above 33.66. If not, then I really would not give two F's about it, like really. So in the meantime, all I'll keep doing is just keep waiting. But in order for me to jump in and have that green light, is going to be, I want to see a break above 33.66, and it needs to happen, right? I would not touch anything unless it happens in terms of longing this at right now. So if you want to learn the strategy for free, click the first link in the description, and I'll see you in the next one.